Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. I'm your host Mark Khan, and today we're doing an update for Pepe Coin. But before we start the video, I do gotta say Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Hope you're having a great holiday season. Even though the crypto markets haven't been so great to us, I want to extend a happy holidays to everyone who's watching on this Christmas day. Now, Santa may have came early, and honestly, I'm just saying that because it sounds nice, but the markets are up a little bit. Again, we would hope to see, Bitcoin closer to 100K this time of year, but we are seeing some signs of bullishness across the board. Markets up about 1%, RSI at 50.13, which is slightly towards the overside bot, or more towards the overbought side, I should say, which is pretty bullish. And more importantly, today's Pepe update, Pepe up over 4%, but also at a very critical buying zone. Before I go any further in the Pepe update video, I do gotta ask, if you haven't already, make sure you check out the partner for our channel, Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification ID or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today. Available in Google Play and Apple App Store. Best Wallet lets you buy and sell Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies. With Best Wallet, smartest way to buy, store, and manage your crypto in 2025. Available on Google Play and Apple App Store. Every download supports the channel tremendously. There's actually a download link in the description box below, so definitely go ahead and check it out. Now, Pepe up over 3% on the day, on the week up also 3%, and the month down 10%, on the year down over 78%. Is why I say this could be at a very critical zone. Now, when in doubt, zoom out. It's a popular saying investors like to make. And again, in this case, it's obviously not looking great. It looks like Pepe has reached its high, and now, and it's slow. We even see a little bit of head and shoulders, but unfortunately, typically out of this pattern, we see a pump. But no, we've seen it continue to go down, and this is as low as we've seen it since back in 2024, right before its big, massive leg. So, question is, if the markets will resume once more, this could be at a fantastic time to buy. And again, people are positioning themselves. They're buying alts right now. They're buying memes right now because they're getting ready essentially for the next big pump, which could really be around the corner. One alt in particular we're watching very closely is Bitcoin Hyper. Bitcoin Hyper is the fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain, offering scalability and speed to Bitcoin. This is a crypto pre-sale project that has raised nearly $30 million in their pre-sale, and 10 hours actually set to increase their price. Meaning, if you want to buy at the lowest price, this is your last chance to buy at these levels. You buy the card or crypto directly from the website, and I'm leaving a website link in the description box below. Bitcoin Hyper finally unlocks fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions. This unleashes the true power of Bitcoin, payments, meme coins, and dApps. Again, if you're interested in buying to the pre-sale, you can buy with a link in the description box below. Now back to Pepe Coin. We've seen Pepe Coin making headlines. Pepe showing 300% potential. Investors recall Pepe's early 800% run. We're seeing a lot of positive predictions for Pepe as the community is starting to garner up support. The child of Pep, Pep, looks like he's getting ready to leg up. We're seeing Pep buy now before it goes higher in 2026. Q1, Q2, having some pretty bullish predictions there. We go to the official Pepe page. We see another post on the 19th. They're slowly starting to get a little more active again, which is always good for community. Now, will Pepe reach $1? You've seen, you've probably seen the headlines floating around, a $1 Pep by 2026. Sounds exciting, but smart traders don't follow excitement. They follow structure, timing, and probability. And the fact that we have 5 zeros between Pepe going to 1 cent argues that probably $1 is going to be a far long road ahead. Pepe is meme coin. Meme coins move on attention, liquidity, and cycles. When sentiment shifts and volume flows, they can move fast, very fast. That's why early positions always affect interest, not because outcomes are a guarantee, but because risk to reward can be asymmetrical. Why some traders are watching Pepe closely, early accumulation, often signs of a better flexible than chasing later. Meme cycles tend to return when market confidence rises. Strong community attention keeps liquidity alive during active phases. That said, price rate $1 are speculative, not promises, and the real strategy isn't blind holding. It's patience, risk management, and knowing when to act. Small positions, clear plans, and no emotion. That's how opportunities are handled, not guesses. So again, nice little tidbits in there on the update for today. Again, Pepe up 3%, which is pretty good. Market in the green today, and it's starting this Christmas off pretty well. Again, a lot of predictions were for the markets to make a full-fledged recovery. Unfortunately, that hasn't been the case, but we're watching very closely. Now, I know, guys, in these times, it's very sketchy. Everyone's freaking out. But again, when in doubt, just don't panic. keep the emotions out of the mix. That's the best way for navigating your crypto trading journey. However, guys, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel, as I'm not a financial advisor. Therefore, none of this is financial advice. Now, that wraps up the video. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.